Alright, we're in the basement with our Hot Wheels Super Track that we have set up for the Track Builder Challenge. As you can see, we have many moving parts. This is Julia. She helped design the track. And this is Lucas. Say hello.
Hello.
Alright. Lucas is going to show off the first part of our track right now.
Now?
Yep. Awesome. And the double loop-de-loop was designed by Lucas. And whenever you're ready. Excellent. And finally, we're going to count down to our super explosion here. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that is our St. Patrick's Day Hot Wheel Track extravaganza.